Guys, I thought I'd just update you on my little Boxford lathe. I sorted out this sideways travel here. This phosphor bronze spacer, washer, packer, whatever you want to call it. What I've done, I've epoxied that onto the actual shaft. Then to make sure that it was lined up, I tightened this back collar up, these two locking nuts, tightened it all together, let the epoxy set, and then I spaced it, flattened out this other back spacer here, got that perfectly parallel, tightened them two lock collars on, so there is absolutely no sideways movement now. I've packed this up properly, there's no up and down movement, there's just no movement at all. It's absolutely fantastic. I also bought these two cheap little rubbishy oilers off the eBay, and I found out they wasn't working when I got them. They were rubbish, and there was a little plastic collar in there which was just preventing them from operating properly. They are a bit rough and crappy, but I'll probably just do a little bit more work on them and just clean them up. And they work great, they work really good. So I've now got a constant drip of oil. I don't know if you can, there's a little drip, the little bead there waiting. It's probably once every, I don't know, 30-45 seconds you get a drip of oil. So they're fixed, they're running. I don't have to worry about it getting hot or running out of oil. And that's pretty much it. I don't like this tool holder I bought, this aluminium tool holder. It's not very good. I've got a steel one here which is much better. But oh, not that one. Sorry, I do have another one. A quick change. I do have another quick change tool holder for this. But it would need to be bored out to fit on top of here, and I think it's too hard to get a machinist to bore it out. But anyway, well, that'll do for now. I might be able to pick one up, a second-hand one somewhere that'll fit this Boxford. So I'll do a bit of cutting. I'll show you how vastly improved it is now from when I got it. I love it, I do. Right, I've got a bolt somewhere, hardened bolt, so I'll put that in and get it set up, and I've just sharpened this cutter, so I'll get that in, I'll get it sent. I've just centered this bit of work up, so I'll show you some cutting. Probably about a 10mm bolt this, I think. I think beyond this, the actual work starts to bend. It's getting pretty fine now. There we go. That is now what she's capable of, turning a steel bolt down to that. Never would have dreamt I could get this sort of work out of this when I first got this lathe. There we are. The cuts can be really nice. That's the sort of finish you get. But that's down to my cutter, I guess, as well. So, Boxford lathe fixed. Catch you later.